Hey everyone, welcome back to, today, I've got something super exciting, bell pepper burgers. Did you know that bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C? Well, what if I told you that you can turn these superfoods into a burger that might actually boost your health? Stay tuned, you won't believe how tasty and healthy this can be. Now, this isn't just any burger. We're talking about a colorful, nutritious, and super satisfying alternative that could totally change your eating habits. Imagine a burger that's good for your body but still hits all those cravings. That's what today's recipe is all about. Let's get started. Let's be honest, traditional burgers are often packed with saturated fats, processed ingredients, and way too many calories. For those of us trying to eat cleaner, manage weight, or stick to certain diets, finding a tasty but healthy burger can feel impossible. But not anymore. Here's the secret: bell peppers. They're naturally low in calories but bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. So here's my plan. Hollow out these vibrant peppers, stuff them with a flavorful, lean protein filling, and bake them to perfection. It's a simple, colorful, and healthy twist on the classic burger. Let me show you how. How to make bell pepper burgers first. Let's gather our ingredients. 4 large bell peppers, any color you like. 1 pound of lean ground beef or turkey, or even plant-based meat if you prefer. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Alright, let's get cooking. Cut off the tops of the peppers and carefully remove the seeds and membranes. Then, lightly brush the outside with a little olive oil and place them in a baking dish. In a bowl, combine your ground meat, chopped onion, minced garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. If you like cheese, stir some in now. Spoon the meat mixture into each hollowed-out pepper, pressing down gently to pack it in. Cover the dish with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 35 minutes, or until the meat is cooked through and the peppers are tender. Remove from oven. Garnish with fresh herbs or greens if you like, and enjoy. The first time I tried a bell pepper burger, it totally changed my perspective on healthy eating. It's so flavorful, satisfying, and colorful. Honestly, once you taste it, you'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. It's a total game changer. So, to wrap it up, bell pepper burgers are a fun, nutritious, and incredibly tasty alternative to traditional burgers. They're perfect if you're looking to eat healthier, manage dietary restrictions, or just add some variety to your meals. Give this recipe a try and see how delicious healthy eating can be. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite burger alternative? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more quick and healthy recipes here on Taste in a Flash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.